A very warm welcome to the Learning Home.
In this video, we are going to discuss how to insert QR code in Word document. And before I start the discussion, I'd like to bring to your notice that I'm using Microsoft 365, which is the latest version as of now. And if you're using different version of Microsoft Office, you may see a little difference in appearance, and but still you can use this feature what we are discussing, provided you have this add-in feature in your Microsoft Office. So first point of discussion, that why and where we can use this feature. Imagine you are doing a presentation, or you want your audience to quickly access a website or quickly access a survey link, or if you want to share your email address, then either option is either you type those words and characters, which is sometimes difficult to copy, and people end up in typing something else, and kind of annoying moment when we have to type a character. So what we can do, we can share a QR code, and they can easily and quickly scan through their mobile phone using the QR scanner and access the website. So how we can bring it, how we can create in Microsoft Word, there is an add-in feature, and which you can find in the insert tab, which is active at this point of time, and you will go to the my add-ins, which is not, the add-in which we are looking for is not added, so we will go to the get add-ins, and when we will click it, we will see another pop-up box, and we will search QR, and when we search QR, you will see multiple options, and what we are going to choose is add here. And when you click add, you will see another box, some kind of privacy policy statement which we are bound to accept if we want to utilize it, and that's what we are going to do now. We have accepted it, and you will see the insert option is missing here. So what we are going to do, we are going to minimize it and then maximize it. You will see it has arrived over here. So now it is ready to insert a QR code. Imagine we are trying to share a website, and you will see there is a QR code created for the observervoice.com. Here we will have a multiple option, which is the sharing a website, email address, telephone number, SMS number, geographical location, and multiple option. There is a custom option which you can utilize based on your preference. So here I'm going to insert it as it is. Imagine if you want to create another QR code with the difference in appearance, which is like blue, and the background is yellow, and we want a bigger size. And what we can do, we can insert again. In the most of the time, the error correction I keep medium 15%, which works fine for me. You can also enter the email address, mail to, and you can put your email address here. So you can also utilize this email QR code feature to, if you want to share your email address. So that is all for discussion, and I hope it has given you an idea about how to create QR code in Microsoft Word.
How you have found the video, please do write in the comment section, and if you have liked it, please do like and share. For more videos, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will be notified about the upcoming videos. With this, I will say goodbye and see you soon.